What's up, everybody? It's that guy Skimpy. I had to buy a new motor. My other motor was messing up, so I went ahead and got a new Motorguide Xi3. It has like the remote on it and stuff. You need a wireless foot pedal and stuff. So yeah, man, I got to make some changes to the boat. It's not gonna fit on the same bunk I had. Yeah, so I had to make a new bunk, and then I'm gonna carpet it and do all that good stuff. So there's where the old one was, and it's not gonna fit. It's a little bit different, but anyways, yeah. And then I'm not gonna need this anymore because it's a wireless one, so it has a what do you call that, a remote, and then I'm gonna get a wireless foot pedal, and it's not gonna be the same dimensions as this, man. So I'm gonna go ahead and make this a compartment. Got the wood cut out, gonna carpet it up. I got my new, so that's gonna be the new bunk. It's drying right now. I went ahead and sprayed it first, but yeah, there's the old one. You can tell that it's a little bit bigger. This one right here is a 2x8, and that one was a 2x6. So I'm gonna need a little bit wider to be able to put it on there. But there's the old motor. Yup. Maintenance, maintenance, maintenance. Do work. Alright, guys, so here it is. I cut out a new block, or whatever you want to call it. And then here's the door. I just got to put the other part of the latch on. Yeah, there's the latch there. See, it came out pretty good. So you can kind of see where the old one was, and then this new one is going to go around here somewhere. I got to grab the other motor and then set it up there to make sure that it fits in place. So yeah, man, it's coming through. Almost done here. And I wish I could afford a bigger fish finder. I just got the little guy. It's kind of embarrassing, but whatever. Okay, so I got this in. Stepped on it, man. I got a little dirt on there, but whatever. But yeah, so that's what it looks like. So that's all tucked away. So now it's time to put this new motor on. And the thing is you got to make sure that you have the clearance here. So what I have to do is I have to disengage it and then measure it there. So that's what I'll do now. Okay, so gotta make sure it's about like there. You can see it's clearing. You want to make sure it clears. And if you notice here, I took off the side panel. All it is one little screw. So yeah, so I'm gonna line up this block here, make sure it's right on time, and then I'm gonna screw it into the deck, and then I will screw the motor on. Okay, so what I did is I just put some tape around it, so that's where I know where I want my this block. So when I flip this deck over and I screw it from the bottom side, I can kind of see where I want it, and then it's time to put the motor on. Okay, so I took off the deck and then laid it back here, and then I'm gonna screw it from the bottom here right in. I'm gonna be using some long screws here. I think they're what, 3 inches? Yeah, 3 inches. Okay, so this son of a gun ain't going nowhere. So now it's time to put the deck back on and then put the motor on. Okay, like I said, there's these side panels here. Just one little screw, and that comes off. And then you can see the holes here. Motorguide recommend at least 3 of these. I'm going to try to get as many as I can with it, be able to hang off, you know. So yeah, I'm going to line it back up, and then I want to start screwing in. Okay, so it's on there. Yes, I stripped one. Dang it, I used the wrong dang bit, and that's going to haunt me for the rest of my life. but I was able to get 2, 4, 5 on each side. Yeah. Make sure you use stainless. All right, guys, so there it is. Hangs off a little bit more than I like. I mean, it's more than I'm used to, you know. But my buddy has the same motor. Actually, he has the Xi3, and his hangs off about the same. But I mean, that's hanging off. What a good 4 inches. It's kind of sketchy, but it ain't going nowhere. Pretty cool, man. All right, guys, so there you have it, man. There's my my new project. Got a tournament in about a month, and I just wanted to make sure everything was ready before this tournament. But yeah, I forgot to mention the glue I use to put down the carpet is just this general use multi-floor adhesive, and it worked pretty well. The carpet that I just got from Lowe's, man. It was pretty cheap. They do it by, I believe, by 10 feet, maybe 12 feet, but I believe it's 10 feet. So it's like a foot by 10 or 2 feet by 10 or yada, 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 yada. Anyways, man, I got 2 feet, and then it cost me like $10, $10.50 or something like that. Anyways, man, hope this helps someone out there. I'm excited to use this new motor. That guy Skimpy, please subscribe.